First impressions matter, especially on a blind date. Studies show it takes only 7 seconds to form an initial judgment. Start with a clean canvas. Double cleanse your face to remove impurities, then apply a hydrating toner and lightweight moisturizer. Korean skincare emphasizes glass skin, a dewy, translucent finish achieved through layering. Pro tip: use a cooling eye mask for 5 minutes to reduce puffiness. This prep ensures your makeup adheres flawlessly and lasts longer. The innocent but captivating look balances freshness with subtle allure. Research indicates soft pink tones increase perceptions of approachability by 23%. Opt for a rosy eyeshadow palette and peachy blush. Avoid heavy contouring. Korean trends favor puppy contouring for a youthful, rounded effect. Key tools: a damp beauty blender for seamless blending and angled brushes for precision. Remember, less is more. This style mimics natural beauty. A flawless base is the foundation of this look. Use a cushion foundation, SPF 50+, for buildable, sun-protected coverage. Statistics show 68% of people associate dewy skin with health and vitality. Apply in thin layers focusing on the T-zone. Conceal under-eye circles with a peach-toned corrector to neutralize blue tones. Set lightly with translucent powder only in oily areas. Pro tip: mix liquid highlighter with moisturizer for an all-over glow. Eyes are the focal point of first impressions. Use matte brown shadows to create depth in the crease, then blend a champagne shimmer on lids. Korean puppy eyeliner, extended slightly downward, makes eyes appear larger and innocent. Apply individual false lashes to the outer corners for a natural flutter. Fun fact: studies reveal 40% longer eye contact from dates when wearing this style. Finish with brow gel for feathery strokes. Strategic blush placement conveys warmth. Smile and apply peach blush to the apples of cheeks, blending upward toward temples. Data shows rounded blush shapes are perceived as 31% friendlier. Use a fluffy brush, e.g. Real Techniques, for diffused edges. For extra dimension, layer a liquid blush underneath powder. Avoid glitter, opt for satin finishes. Pro tip: lightly dab blush on nose bridge and chin for a sun-kissed effect. Lips signal approachability. The Korean gradient lip, darkest in the center, creates a plump, just-bitten effect. Start with lip balm, then pat a berry-toned stain, e.g. Para Ink Velvet, onto the inner one-third of lips. Blend outward with fingers. Top with clear gloss, avoiding the outer edges to prevent feathering. Research indicates glossy lips subconsciously remind people of youthful vitality. Avoid overlining. Natural shape reads as genuine. Hair frames the face and completes the look. Studies show loose waves increase attractiveness ratings by 19%. Use a 1-inch curling wand wrapping 2-inch sections away from the face. Spritz texturizing spray for undone volume, avoid stiff hairspray. Pull back face framing pieces with a pearl clip. Pro tip: apply a drop of hair oil to ends for movement. This style says, "I woke up like this," while subtly highlighting facial features. Pastel outfits reinforce the theme. A survey found 72% associate baby blue pink with kindness. Choose a fit and flare dress, knee length, in mint or lavender, colors linked to calmness. Delicate details matter, lace trims or pearl buttons. Avoid plunging necklines, opt for sweetheart or boat neck cuts. Footwear, low block heels, 3 cm max for comfort. Pro tip: spritz lavender perfume. Scent psychology ties it to relaxation and trust. Last glances matter. Check makeup under natural light. LED bulbs can distort colors. Press a tissue lightly to remove excess oil without disturbing makeup. Stats show people who smile at their reflection feel 25% more confident. Do a 360-degree spin to ensure hair and outfit are photo-ready. Breathe deeply. Oxytocin release reduces stress. Remember, your preparation reflects self-respect, not just impressing others. Psychology confirms love at first sight is often strong, positive first impressions. As you enter, make eye contact within 3 seconds. This signals confidence. Keep posture open. Crossed arms seem defensive. Let him notice details, how light catches your highlighter, the scent of your perfume. Studies show 89% of successful dates recall these sensory details later. Most importantly, relax. Authenticity is always the most attractive quality.